This sounds written by Gabriel Harper, illustrated by Mark Myers. Focus question: how can some things sound? Connections, writing and art. Make a new page for the book. Draw a picture and write this sentence. This sounds so. Science. Pick an animal you know. What sound does it make? Share your ideas with a partner. This sounds so noisy. This sounds so quiet. This sounds so squeaky. This sounds so loud. This sounds so calm. This sounds so silly. This sounds so boring. This sounds so fun.